Hearty welcome to everybody. I'm Sathiya.
I'm Shweta.
I am Anusha.
We are from EC department. We have done a mini project based on Bolt IoT to control LED using Google Assistant. Now my team members will take over the presentation.
Let me continue with the presentation. Our project is based on controlling LED using Google Assistant. Let us consider a real-time example. Imagine when you are far away from your home and you have forgotten to switch off the lights. Then you can remotely switch on or off the lights by using Google Assistant through voice. Nowadays, the storage capacity of people has become poor due to which power is wasted. With this project, power can be saved to a greater extent using Google Assistant. Now let us see the components used in the project. A mini project uses both software and hardware components. The components used are a Bolt Wi-Fi module, a resistor of 330 ohm, a LED light, a mini USB cable, Android device, and a website called IFFT Maker Service. Now let's see the hardware connection. Take a resistor of 330 ohm and wind one end of the resistor to the positive end of the LED. Connect the negative end of the LED to the pin 0 of the Bolt Wi-Fi module. Make sure your USB is connected and your device is in online mode. This diagram shows the hardware connection. Now my teammate will take over the software connection.
For software connection, we need two software programs. One is Cloud Bolt IoT and one is the software for IFFT to Google Assistant. First, we'll go and check with an Cloud Bolt IoT. The link will be given for you in a PPT for logging into the Bolt IoT cloud. After logging, you will be visible on a page like this. First, we should note down the Bolt ID number, and next we should go to the app key. We should check our app key. For app key, we should enable the app key, and we should generate a new app key while doing the project. While you are generating the app key, it will ask for your agreement. We should proceed with yes, and we should copy our app. We should copy our app key. After copying our app key, now let's go with the IFTTT accounts. How to create an account? This link will be also provided in the PPT. First, while you click that link, you will be getting a page like this. You can create the account by using your Apple ID or Google ID or Facebook ID. So after creating an account, you will be getting a page like this. First, after creating account, we should create an applet. We should create two applets for switching on a LED and for switching off the LED. Now let's proceed with and switch on the LED. First, we should go to create. After clicking create button, you will getting a page like this for creating our own applet. Here it shows for me 2 of 3 because already we have created 2 applets, but it will show for you as 0 of 1. So now I am showing you a trial how to create a one. I will show you a trial how to create an on applet. Same as it is you can create for the off applet. So first on you will get a page like this and we should click add here. After clicking add here, it will ask you to choose a service. We should give here Google Assistant. Google Assistant and select the Google Assistant. After giving Google Assistant, we should select the phrase like a simple phrase. Here we should give our phrases. We can give whatever phrases you want. It's your wish, but we are giving like okay Google, turn on LED. Next, this is an optional, but giving it is a good thing also. Instead of saying turn on LED, you can say as turn on LED also. And for third one, we'll give as turn on. We'll give as lights on. Here, this box is for what the response should be. What response we should get from the Google. We can type here. We'll give as powering on. LED. And we should press the create trigger. After creating trigger, the Google Assistant will be having our praises. Now we should connect with our Bolt device. So we should click here add. Here we should we should choose a service called webhook. It asks to after clicking webhooks, we will get a page like this. Make a web request. Here we should go. After going inside the make a webhook, it will ask you for a link. So we should give a link. That link is provided for you in the chat in the PPT. In this link, there is a slight modification that you should do. You should provide your own app key that you have saved before in the Bolt Cloud. And here we should give our device ID that also will be saved in your Bolt Cloud. And the PIN number should be 0. And state, for on state we will give high, and for off state we will give low. That should be modified by yourself. And here method will be get method. Content type should be given application by JSON. After that, we should create an action. After creating an action, we should give continue. It asks you it will ask you if you want to check your sentence or okay. It asks you a permission. It's okay, or we can finish it, or we should edit. So we can finish it. After finishing, it shows you the connected, and again it will ask you to check edit or title, or if you want you can edit it or not. After this we can go back to our main page. If you click our my applets, it will show your applets. Actually, here we already created 2 applets for our project, and this is the sample applet now I created for an idea. Same how we did for turn on, we should make the same for the turn off also. Instead of giving a high, we should give a low in the turn off in the webhook URL. This is the software connection. After connecting this all, by downloading a Google Assistant app in your phone, you can with the mail ID with which mail ID you have created IFTTT software account, with same email ID you should active your Google Assistant app, and by that you can get the output. Now here we will show the output.
Now our project is ready. All we need to do is to give a voice command and check the output.
Okay Google, turn on LED.
Powering on your lights.
Okay Google, turn off LED.
Powering off your lights.
Thank you everybody.